Found a BDI file in an old Office installation folder? This is an index file created by Microsoft Office Picture Manager to track image collections. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to work with these Office Picture Manager index files. I always keep a Magic software utility on standby for the toughest BDI files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. A BDI file is a database created by Microsoft Office Picture Manager to cache image properties and thumbnails. Users encounter this file in folders containing images they've viewed with the application. The intent is often to understand why this extra file exists, or to troubleshoot issues with the Picture Manager's performance. The BDI file is a proprietary binary database. Microsoft designed it to speed up the loading of image galleries by pre-processing and storing metadata like dimensions, orientation, and thumbnail data. This avoids rereading every image file each time a folder is opened, significantly improving user experience. Windows often defaults to associating BDI with the Microsoft Office Picture Manager solution from Microsoft Corporation. To maintain file health, avoid direct interaction using Windows Explorer alone. Windows cannot interpret hierarchical index data, so proper access depends on dedicated tools. To resolve the application failure, right-click your BDI file and choose Open With. Check for Microsoft Office Picture Manager and test it first. If it's missing, select another program from the list. We need a successful file association. If the BDI file is still giving you trouble, relax. The solution is often simpler than you think. If the BDI file is still stubborn, look for one of these three basic errors. Use this quick reference list to check them now. First, letting Picture Manager manage. BDI files are managed automatically by Microsoft Office Picture Manager and should not be manually edited. The application creates and updates these files as image collections change. If you have Office Picture Manager installed, allow it to handle BDI files through normal application operations. Next, removing after uninstall. If you've uninstalled Office Picture Manager and want to clean up BDI files, locate them in the Picture folders and delete them safely. They serve no purpose without Picture Manager, and removing them frees disk space without affecting the original image files in any way. Finally, migrating to modern tools. Microsoft discontinued Office Picture Manager after Office 2000. Migrate to modern image management tools like Adobe Lightroom Photos for Windows or Google Photos for organizing image collections. These applications provide better features including Cloud Sync facial recognition and AI-powered organization beyond what Picture Manager offered. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.